Football news now. Coach of Mount Pleasant FA, Theodore Whitmore, says his team had things their own way in their 1-0 win over hosts Arnett Gardens in the Jamaica Premier League at the Anthony Spaulding Sports Complex on Thursday evening. Raheem Edwards scored the all-important goal in the 22nd minute for Mount Pleasant. With the win, Mount Pleasant inched further up the table into 4th place on 27 points, and they have 5 games in hand. Arnett are 8th on 22 points.
The 3 points, pleased with the performance. I think we dominate proceedings for most of the time. I think we weren't threatened by our opponent this evening, but welcome the 3 points.
Now, despite the defeat, coach of Arnett Gardens, Philip Williams, felt his side could have gotten a positive result from the contest.
In terms of chances, about 4 clear chances were there, 3 of which fell to our players and we weren't able to convert. But in terms of the 90 minute, I think the team put in a good shift against a very good Mount Pleasant team.
Yeah, second-placed Racing United played to a 0-0 draw with Tivoli Gardens in the opening game of the doubleheader to cut Montego Bay United's lead to 5 points. Racing moved to 34 points, while Tivoli Gardens are 7th on 23 points. All right, and let's go to a break on Primetime Sports Friday, but still lots more to come. Stay with us.